HPNV. The hinges is broken, and you can see how the screen is now. We are going to repair this laptop and make it usable again. Now here is the laptop. Go to tumefunguanisha, and here is the broken hinge, you can see. And for their devices, even these small components that are broken, don't throw away. Don't throw away these things, even if they are so small. Keep them safe. First phase finish. The small component returned, and the hinges now well done. You can see we are waiting now to fix it back. Okay, you can now see. We also do surveys. As we finish, we just clean this fan. Finally, there we are.